Right, good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you're all well out there. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I know I've got a few comments from my previous videos to go through and I'll endeavour to do so throughout the afternoon. I'm talking about Vechain again today, and I've just read this article. I'll quickly show it here regarding their new VeWorld wallet, which is quite interesting. It's like their own decentralized self-custody wallet. So we'll go over that in a minute, but we'll start off with a very brief look at the market. It's a slight down day today. We're down 1.03% with a market cap of 1.12 trillion, which is still decent. You're going to have up and down days. It's not like it's been a massive sell-off or anything. 24-hour trading volume 63 billion. Bitcoin dominance is up slightly, 42.6%. Bitcoin is still heading towards 25k. It's like just shy of 24/7 at the moment. It's up 13% on the week, down slightly today and over the last day, but nothing major. Same with Ethereum. It's a fairly similar story across the entire top 10. How's Polygon doing? Because that was doing well. That's up 20%. It's given a bit back over the last 24 hours because that was flying. Solana's an interesting one for me, not only because I hold it, but because it looks like it may flip Doge, in my personal opinion, in the coming weeks. And it looks like it's going to break back into the top 10, which is surprising after what happened with the FTX debacle. Polkadot continues to do well. Anyway, so that's really like the main cryptos. Moving on to the biggest rises in the last 24 hours. This Singularity Net, that continues to do well. I remember that was getting a few mentions last week. Tiny market cap, 533 million. It's not something I'm invested in. STX, there's no massive rise, just 12%. Mind you, this STX, that's up 124% over the last week, so that's had a good run up. Same as Neo, that's up 67.9%. It looks decent on that little chart there. So yes, it's looking fairly bullish. Everything looks quite decent. Moving on to the Vechain page, you can see we're down 3.48%, which is, we're outperforming Bitcoin in terms of price decline, but that's not overly concerning. Smaller market cap, that's likely to happen. We're still at a decent price from where we have been. Market cap still over $2 billion, $2.2 billion rather. Circulating supply still exactly the same, 84%, so that's 72.5 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of 186 million. See if I can check the latest sentiment. Just shilling, so nothing of much interest really. Same old stuff. I need to find a more reliable sentiment source. So should we look at the article first, or let's have a quick look at the charts? So this is Vechain on the 4-hour. You can see we've had a little pullback. There was a short sell there. It didn't set up, but it played out. A bar too late, rather. We've still got this 50 above the 100, so we've got the golden cross in play. But I don't mind a pullback. I'm looking at buying some today because it was nearly at 32 yesterday, which is my next area of resistance that I'm looking to break through. If we move on to the daily time frame, we can look for some rationale as to why we've pulled back. And the only thing I can see, I need to make this a bit smaller so you can see everything. There is a divergence between, I didn't think it was that big, but it is bigger than I previously thought, between this MACD and single line high and this one here, from this high here to this high. Well, we've not made the high yet, but it looks like there could be potential to actually, it's 50-50. This is the next area of resistance, and I want to know what's going to happen when we push through that or reach that region, because obviously we broke through the 0.026, which I was looking at for the last, few weeks. That I said that was the next thing that we were next hurdle we needed to cross. But we've done well. We've pushed through it. We're still in bullish territory. I'm not really overly concerned about the pullback. I always like a pullback to get back in at a better price, because I'm continuing to buy even at these prices. I'm not going to lie to you and say, I only bought down here. I'm continuing to buy. None of this is financial advice, by the way. It's just what I'm doing. Always do your own research. Anyway, so onto the article. I'll link it down below. It's on Watcher Guru. There's a video on here that will talk you through the process in its entirety, rather. Vechain, how to download the VeWorld wallet. So the Vechain Foundation has orchestrated some tremendously exciting developments to the start of 2023. Among those is the launch of a fully decentralized crypto wallet that is the perfect starting point for many in the digital asset sector. Now let's discuss how to download the Vechain V-World wallet. It's important to know that the Vechain V-World wallet is a fully decentralized self-custody wallet from the Vechain ecosystem. The wallet allows its users to fulfill a host of crypto-related actions while utilizing a ledger hardware device. And that's important. I always recommend storing your crypto offline. I keep some of my Vechain on Binance, purely just to use their simple earn facility. It's not a massive amount of yield you get, but you earn a lot of VETHO and a certain amount of VeChain. Plus, I only keep it in the flexible, so if I get a bit weary, I can just pull it off straight away and get it back onto my hardware device. Anyway, moreover, YouTube Vechain V has brought forth a comprehensive video guide you can observe below. So I imagine that's the video there. So if you want to, oh no, sorry, that's it there. So if you want to click on the article down below, you can watch the wallet. It will talk it through much better than I can reading through the article. So download the Chrome extension. The first step in downloading the Vechain V-World wallet is through the downloading of a specified Google Chrome extension. Firstly, users will have to open a Google Chrome and visit VeWorld.net, the Vechain dedicated home to access the VeWorld wallet. From there, you will find a button urging users to try VeWorld on Chrome. Subsequently, users will be redirected to the Google Store, where they will be able to access the necessary extension. Then, users will be able to access the wallet by clicking the VeWorld icon on their Google Access bar. Create a new wallet. Secondly, users will set up the wallet in 3 different ways, requiring 3 different processes. They will create a new wallet, import any existing wallets, and if necessary, use their ledger. To create a new wallet, users will access the setup wizard after clicking the VeWorld icon. There, they will click the Get Started button and click through the necessary information until they are able to create a password. From there, users will be asked if they desire to create a new wallet or if they already have an existing wallet. From that screen, users will be asked again be asked to read necessary information through the setup wizard. Subsequently, they will reach the portion of the wallet setup where they will be asked to input a recovery phrase. This consists of 12 words that we'll have to write down to ensure you will remember them. It's important not to write the words online, but to write them on an actual piece of paper. I'm sure you've all done this before. I'm sure you've all got wallets out there, so you know the drill. Thereafter, the user will select the proceed button and be directed to a screen to input the words from the recovery phrase. There, the user will be able to once again click through information worth reading. Finally, they will have access to their newly created VeWorld wallet, importing existing wallets. If you are not creating a new wallet, users will have the option to select the import wallet feature at the beginning of the setup wizard. This process made very easy by the Vechain Chrome extension. After selecting the option to import a wallet, users will be able to select whether to import a local or a hardware wallet. For importing a local wallet, you will input the recovery phrase words given when the new wallet was created. If the 12 words were correct, the wallet will be imported and accessible through the Vechain V-World interface. How to use your ledger. For the use of a hardware wallet, you will be redirected to a screen asking to import your hardware wallet. There, you would connect your ledger device to your computer and unlock your ledger with your PIN code. Then open the Vechain app and select to proceed on the setup wizard. From there, the VeWorld extension will ask you to connect the device, reminding you to ensure that you've unlocked your ledger and that the Vet app is open. When it's connected, you can hit the continue button and then select the accounts you desire to import. Thereafter, you will be directed to a home page where the import process is successful. When the import process is successful. VeWorld apps. The coolest part of what Vechain is doing is the ease of connection between the VeWorld wallet and the various DApps. For example, an application like Vechain Energy is usable through a button available on the application. Users will just have to click the sign in with the VeWorld button and then approve the action in the subsequent window to utilize the wallet and the app. The development of the Vechain V-World wallet and how it is used seamlessly show just how important the Vechain ecosystem development is. So that's very interesting. They have set this up, and the fact that you can get onto their dApps straight away, making it seamless, is just another reason to invest in this project as far as I'm concerned. I would recommend watching this video. I'm not going to play it now because whenever I do playback, it gets so glitchy. Excuse me 1 second. So yeah, more bullish news for Vechain as far as I'm concerned. Back onto the charts, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a down day. I would be looking to buy in anywhere around yesterday's lows, so that's 0.028, anywhere around that region. I would expect that in the next few hours, unless it bounces. I'm not sure if it closes around that region. Let's go to the 4 hour rather to get a better idea of when I'm going to buy. So it's not looking in a buying area at the moment. We've got 2 minutes left on this candle, so I'm not going to wait on screen, but I'll see how the next candle reacts upon the close of this one, and then decide whether to buy on the new candle or see how the next one performs and then wait a bit longer. Like I always say, you need to Be very strategic in your investments. Don't just jump in and FOMO in, because I could have yesterday. I will show you that coin I was talking about. It's called Self-Key. I've been watching it for a while because I've been watching it around this region. I was thinking I really should buy some of this and make a video about it. But yesterday it had such a massive run up, and I was kicking myself. I was like, I've got to get in. And I was like, hang on a second, you know better than this. You need to wait. So I waited because it was up 200% yesterday. I couldn't believe it. I really thought I'd missed out. That was proper FOMO, but I know better than to jump in. So say I had have jumped in here, I'd be like, oh, for God's sake, why did I do that? So I'm going to wait for this to come back down to 0.007 possibly. I see that as a reasonable area to buy in, and then DCA in from there. I'll do a video specifically about it. It's quite an interesting thing. It's to do with digital identities and whatnot. Not something I particularly approve of, but if it makes money, it makes sense as far as I'm concerned. I'm not just here for the tech. I'm here for the gains, basically. So I'll get rid of that because that's not what we're talking about. I've just gone off on a little tangent there, but that's something I'm considering investing in. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up for now. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I've been stuck on 350 subscribers for about a week now, and it's like, I don't know, not frustrating, but I'd like to see the channel grow a little bit. Drop a like on the video to get it to a wider audience, and any comments or questions you're going to have, please leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Drop any price predictions in down below as well. Tell me what you think Vechain could reach in the next week, month, years even. I'd just be interested to know what people think. So once again, thanks for watching, and I wish you all a wonderful afternoon. Bye for now.